Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the privacy section. After that, you'll see here the hide apps section. Tap here once, and now just to hide our applications, we should click here on the switchers. So now we should set the privacy password first. So let's click here to the settings. We can use the 6 digits password. We can use a different password type here. For example, I'll use the pattern. So now just let's draw the pattern or enter the password. We should here use the security question. For example, the former teacher's name. Let's use here the hard reset. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Now we should set the access code here. Let's tap to the set, and now we should use this code with just from 1 to 16 digits in between here. For example, let's use 1 2 3 4. Tap to OK again and click to done. And now you can hide all of the applications by click on each of the switchers here. And after that, we can see here them here in hidden section. And now one will go, for example, here to the apps menu or to the home screen. We can see these applications here. And if you wanna just unhide them, you should go back again to the settings, to the privacy, to hide app section. Let's use our password pattern, and in here we can unhide them by click on each of the switcher once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.